Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, today our vlog is not about the human, is not about the scenic point, is not about to go to a lake, but today we are going to show you a very beautiful creature, and that are the cats. So let's explore. Viewers, behind me you can see this is the big conference, and there is the big gathering. You can see very beautiful cats, very expensive cats, and they are giving some specific kind of announcement. People are here. This is one kind of lottery. They are giving their codes, and they will win some kind of prize for their cats, or maybe they can win an expensive cat also. Viewers, here you can see this is one big shopping plaza, and inside the plaza at the first floor they make this arrangement, and this is actually to introduce the various types of the cats from various areas of the world, and they are from the small cats to the big cats, and you can observe here they are placing many kinds of souvenirs also to decorate their cats, and actually this is one event especially arranged for the cats, and these cats are very expensive cats. Even they take shower, they have the spa, they are the vaccinated cats, and these are the very beautiful pets. If you come here you can see them, and even you can buy them, and you can keep them at your home as a pet. Viewers, here you can see these are the suit for these luxurious and expensive cats, and these are the shower gel for them, and these are the lockets for them. So these cats are not the casual cats, they are very expensive and very luxurious cats. Viewers, here you can see these are the high nutritious food for the cats, and you see the Nourish Life, and this is the chicken formula Nourish Life, this is the Salmon fish formula. Means these cats are very expensive cats, even they eat the tuna and salmon, and here are some of their gels to make their hair smooth. So really these cats are very luxurious cats. Viewers, now I am inside the cat colony, and you can see around me there are so many cages, and they have placed here more than 100 cats of various types from the various areas of the world. Small cats, big cats, very beautiful cats, and we will share with you one by one, and they have placed the different huts for every cat, so you can come here and can see one by one what they are doing, what they are eating, and how they are enjoying their life. Viewers, here you can see this is very beautiful soft cat with me, and she is very neat and clean. She has taken fresh shower, very soft hair, and you see very beautifully looking, and she is feeling so good in my arms. So really this is very beautiful cat. Viewers, now you can see this cat is enjoying the environment here, and people are coming and giving the love to her, and you see now she is so shy and showing me the attitude. Hello. Viewers, you can see very beautiful box for this cat. If you are going to travel somewhere, you can take your cat in this kind of box, and she will enjoy inside. You see it has the holes, there is no problem for the breathing, and very beautiful cat here. You see, viewers, in this box there are the 3 cats, and they already have enjoyed their food enough, and now they are having the rest and playing. You can see this small cat is looking at my finger and enjoying, and she wants to come towards me. Viewers, here you can observe the life of these luxurious cats. You see how healthy they are, how clean they are, and they are looking at me that they have not seen this face throughout their life, because they are living with the Chinese, and they have not seen a person with a beard, so they are looking towards me in very strange eyes. Viewers, here you see this is very healthy and very heavy cat, and I think she has eaten the western food too much. A lot of burgers, a lot of pizza and shawarma. She eat always the tuna fish, as well as she eat the salmon fish. You see, she is feeling so happy with me. Very beautiful cat. Viewers, here you can see this cat look like the tiger. You see the tiger like lines, and she feels so happy when I give the massage to her head. You see, she is enjoying too much. Wow, so good. She is enjoying. You see, now she feels so happy that someone is giving the love to her. Oh, this is not the cat, this look like a tiger. Viewers, here you can see this is the male cat, and he is looking like just a black tiger. The cat was looking like the brown tiger, and he is the black tiger. Very beautiful. You see, he was sleeping, I think, having the rest. No, he just wake up from his sleep. Viewers, you can see this is also very beautiful cat, the white cat with very soft and fluffy hair, and looking at my cameraman with the anger or with sweetness. Viewers, you can see these cats, and its face is also looking like the tiger. This color is a tiger color, but don't be confused, this is not the tiger, this is the cat. Viewers, here you can see this cat is very naughty cat and want to play with me a lot. Come. Yes, she wants to just play with me. You see, like the feather too much. Don't. You see, very beautiful cat, and she wants to play with me. No, sleepy. Viewers, here I cannot make a noise. This cat is having the rest. You can see very good rest room with the soft touch and having the rest after having a great meal. Yes, today we have shown you a lot of cats from the various parts of the world with a lot of breeds, many beautiful cats with many colors, and I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.